So I think when we first recorded the podcast, you had like 400,000 subs. Now
I think not even.
Maybe like 250.
300.
300.
Like something like that.
Now you're at a whopping 771K.
Let's go. Honestly, the climb to 1 million is like treacherous. It's like slow and steady. Like, I guess it depends on what you do. Like, not everyone's guaranteed to. Who knows if there's 1 million people trying to learn a specific software, but I'm confident that I'll get there, but it is a grueling climb after a while.
Everyone always says it's hard. The hardest one's getting 10K subs on YouTube.
That's not the same. It was hard to get 100. 100K was like, that was like the monumental moment. Like when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I always thought that would be like a dream. Like I'd be set for life. Like, and the other thing too is like, yeah, it's a cool goal, but it actually is not the best metric I think to look at because, and it's not the metric I've always been looking at. It just is like an arbitrary goal.
Right.
But it actually stopped me for a long time. Sometimes it discourages you because you can't control how many subscribers you get. You know, all you can do is control how much content and stuff you make. When you are on a hot streak, like in 2017, like I was on a pretty good hot streak. I was uploading every single day for like months and months and months and getting like 1,000 subscribers a day. And that feels like a rush, you know?
Right.
But then obviously like stuff goes up and down. And so all of a sudden a video that I would make and get like 40,000 views on, which is great. All of a sudden, like if I was posting and stuff, would only get like 20K views, which is still amazing. All of a sudden I was like, this is not working anymore. Like returns are diminishing and then you slow down and it's like a vicious cycle. What happened was I got kind of like, I had to take a step back because I kept doing the same thing over and over. Basically kind of like rode this wave until it slowed down. Then I took a step back and I just thought, and then I realized that that's the wrong approach, is to measure it based on the views and subscribers you're getting always, because you can't control that. So I was getting discouraged by the ratios. Like, oh man, I'm not getting the same ratios I used to, or it's harder to get 10K views nowadays. And it is still harder to get 10K views. I kind of look at my channel more like you know, Khan Academy. Anyone in school has used it. It's a really, really big channel. It's like 7 million subscribers, 5 million, something like that.
Cool.
And the thing is, like, they post like dozens of videos a day or a week or month. Like they post lots of videos all the time.
Right.
And they might post something literally like what's 2 + 2, like a little 2-minute video on a certain equation. And they have like 5 million subscribers, but sometimes the video might only get like 200 views because it's so specific. Right. But they have such a huge catalog that if you look at their monthly views, it's still like really a lot, like tens of millions of views. And it's still like a really great sustainable thing. So I think I was getting caught up in like looking at my channel the wrong way, like a vlogger or something where they get all the views up front, but then maybe it won't always get views like in a couple months down the line. No one's watching an old vlog. Yeah, you're like focusing on the long game. I might not get as much views on how to export. Like perfect example, I made a video how to export transparent in After Effects or something. I made a couple videos on how to export, and initially those videos got like a couple thousand views, but then all of a sudden those videos are getting like tens of thousands of views a month and like getting hundreds of thousands of views. So I see it like more like planting seeds.
Thanks for listening to this clip. Make sure to listen to the full interview, which is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, and wherever else you listen to podcasts. Hit the subscribe button for more highlights and join our Black with No Cream private community for creators. Links in the description.